Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about some unique interview questions about SAP SD. Okay, let's get started. The first question here is that will system carry out availability check for third-party sales order or individual purchase order? In case of these two scenarios, purchase order scheduling will be takes place, not the availability check. Availability check will be carried out for an item for which we will maintain the stock in our warehouse. In case of external procured items, the stock will be maintained by vendor only. So in this case, we will be doing the purchase order scheduling. You can see the difference screen here. This one for availability check and this for third party and IPO process, that is purchase order scheduling will takes place. And in the scheduling category CS as well, we have disabled the flags availability and requirement assembly to stop performing availability check on third party and IPO sales orders. If delivery is not happened from our end, then why we need schedule and category in case of third party sales? The main reason here is to transfer some PR related data like order type NB and item category S5 to create PR automatically when we save the sales order. And what are the two item categories used in case of third party sales? That is TAS and ALES. The main difference between these two item categories are, in case of ALES, create PO automatic has been enabled. Whenever it is enabled, then if we save the order, then PO will be created automatically. In case of TAS, this flag is disabled. So what's the difference between availability check and purchase order schedule? As I mentioned earlier, availability check will be carried out for our own resources, for our own items, for which we do produce the materials, for which we maintain stock as well. Whereas, in case of third-party scenarios, purchase order scheduling will be takes place because the stock will be maintained by vendor. In the purchasing tab of Material Master, the procurement will be maintained as F, that is external procurement. How is the confirmation date of a third party item calculated? In other words, we can say that how the purchase order scheduling will be carried out based on which parameters. So there are mainly two parameters. One is planned delivery time maintained in the Material Master MRP2 view, and another one is purchasing department processing time. The transaction code to maintain this config is OMI8. This purchasing department processing time will be maintained for each and every plant wise. So based on these two parameters, system first will go with the backward scheduling to propose the request delivery date. If backward scheduling fails, then it will go with the forward scheduling. Can the confirmation date of a third party or individual purchase order item be earlier than the request delivery date? Yes, the delivery date might be earlier than what request by the customer because it is completely handled by the vendor. You see here, in case of third party item, so early confirmation possible because vendor delivers directly to our customers so that we can't influence the delivery date. So whatever dates we see in the purchase scheduling is an assumption only. It's a forecasting, but the delivery can be happen even earlier than the proposed delivery dates.